Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star. And in today's episode, I'm going to recreate Tejaswi Prakash's this beautiful blush pink makeup look. It's super easy, very vibrant and works perfectly for the winter weather. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. That was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, we have a surprise for you. Don't forget to join the MyGlamm Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.